Hello, my name is François. I am one of the animals from the Crazy channel. What is that sound?
Well, you cannot just curse or use any dirty words.
What? So when I have to say it beeps?
Yes, you know that.
Okay, well, here on the Crazy channel, we are doing a lot of up and sometimes very wild I cannot say this when there is this f***ing sound. Someone turn off this f***ing stupid sound. It makes me That is just the most annoying up whole sound. I will not do this mother son of sucking